So hi guys, in today's video I will be playing emergency response with Malahim Gamer, but with a twist. We will be doing a criminal versus cop, and let's see what happens in today's video. Hi bro, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. Let's go. We're gonna be doing cop versus criminal. I'm gonna be the cop because I'm always the best in a cop. I played a lot in cop, not criminal. I'm bad at criminal. He's way better at criminal. He taught me how to play this game. Okay, so let's go and start the game. Okay, we are gonna give how much minute of timer for you?
Okay, so guys, he has a 5 minute timer on his screen.
I'm gonna go and be a cop. I'm gonna leave him alone, and I'm gonna talk to you a little bit. He's gonna mute his mic for a while so he can other things. So let me just make my cop. Yep, I'm a cop. I'm officially a cop now, so I'm not worried for him. So okay.
My plan is to go to the tool store, get some stuff, and then I'll go. What do you say? Get some stuff, and I have reached the tool store. I'll get some stuff. I can't start robbing yet, else I would have robbed the. Buy this. Buy a crowbar is being bought. I'm not gonna do any jewelry robberies. So let's go. Now we have to go to the gun store. Okay, I see the gun store. Let's go there. I have arrived at the gun store. I'll buy AK-47. Okay, and I will go. Now what should we do? We should absolutely fuel up and go to the mod shop so we can fix our car. Okay. I think the timer is about to be up. Let's see. Yeah. Let's just okay. Yeah, it's well and well. Good. And now we'll go to the fuel store. Absolutely, my fuel is not low, but I'll just fuel up just in case. Okay guys, now the timer is over and I have some stuff in my hand.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make
Let's see how noob is Mustafa in criminal. If I catch him, man, the video will be over if I catch him. If I catch him, maybe in 1 minute, in 2-3 minutes, I'm gonna catch him. The video is over. It's gonna be maybe it will be the shortest video in my whole YouTube history.
Yeah, okay. We'll see about that. Right now.
Yeah, well, let me stick to my gun because I know you bought a gun. I know it. You have bought a gun. So I'm gonna buy that. Perfect. Did you steal a vehicle or is that another person?
No, I have not stolen anything yet. Now I will start stealing. Actually, why
Yeah,
did I say that?
you'll be dead.
Why did I say that? Okay.
Yeah, you do anything, and the good thing is I have the most fastest car in the whole entire game.
I have the same car, okay?
I know. I think I have very high volume. Let me check. Yikes, my volume is high. That's why I hear too much voices.
Bro, what the heck is happening? What? What just happened? Why was my car reversing? What the heck? Wait, now I have to spawn my car again because that thing happened.
Okay, whatever.
I am a little bit on fuel. I'll fuel up because maybe we'll go on a very high speed chase. Let's turn on. Whoa, I'm lagging.
Okay, I'll see.
Let me just turn on spotlight, take down light, and real light. Perfect.
Okay, I'll
Yeah,
try,
that's enough.
Okay, I'll try to do something here. Let's see what I can.
Maybe in the future we'll do a face reveal of Mustafa. But obviously we're not gonna do it.
No,
We'll see.
I have no plans of doing a face reveal right now.
We will do it later. I know one day you're gonna do a face reveal and I'm gonna show it to my viewers.
Yeah.
What do I see? What do I see? I see a person name. It is someone named unknown person.
Oh shoot! I think you know now.
Assalamu alaikum. Where are you? I know you're around here. I know. Oh my gosh, why it is so hard to control? Where are you? You did the easiest job in the whole entire world. You know that.
Yeah, I know that. I am so scared right now. I am so scared. I
Which house did you build? I think you did it from backside somewhere. You know,
It's a good time. You can do it.
And wait, let me just turn on my quality a little bit high. I can't see anything. It's so bad. My graphic quality is so bad. Wait, take it to automatic to a little bit better.
You definitely got
Yeah, which car do you have? That's allowed.
fine.
Tell me.
It's what do you say?
Noob car?
My Bullhorn Determinator. Whatever.
Oh, then it's another one.
Okay. Let me go there.
Starting the vid again.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
So guys, I have not seen any single person.
This guy is playing very sketchy. He crashed his car and his car is now in fire and his car is stuck.
Everything happened. Lol. I'm literally patrolling around River City and I can't find him. Seriously, you'll see the FOV of him on my right side of the screen. It will be a little small. Sometimes it will go big. I hate doing editing. Ooh, I see some cars, but I won't tell you which car are those for and what are they for. Guys, he's actually playing like very safely. You don't know how safely he's playing. Sooner or later, I'm gonna find him. I'll run into him. Where are you even? Tell me a little hint.
That's what I can tell you. I am on the run.
Did you spawn the car again?
Who knows?
Just tell me it's a hint. Just tell me this hint.
Yes, I did.
Oh no. So guys, he's gonna do a robbery sooner or later. Let me just fuel up and then I'm gonna go back to patrolling, okay? So I'll pause the wait. Do a robbery, please! I'm getting bored. The viewers are also getting bored.
Okay. They won't be bored soon. If you see my FOV, they won't be bored if they see my FOV.
I'll see everything in editing. I'll see everything in editing. I'll see you. Why are you like this? You know, the last video I made, it was solo and it took me 5 hours to upload that video.
Wow.
And I got 16 views. It's very bad. I'm waiting.
You're waiting?
Uh,
You know I just did a robbery.
he just did a robbery. He just did a robbery. I'm going after him now.
I'm not even that far away from him. It's so close. You guys don't know. I know his car. The good thing is, it is a bullhorn. It is in black. The bad thing about it, he has it on black, and I hate it because it will make me more suffer.
Yeah, that's why I have done.
Okay. He has left, obviously. I know he will. He has to do more robberies and more robberies.
If I see
Yeah, I
him,
know.
I have the same car as him and same speed as him.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
And that will be good for me to catch up to him.
Wait, I have a very good strat. I have a very good strat.
I feel like he's gonna do a robbery.
Another, like it's actually bad.
Viewers can
I
see.
almost crashed.
Viewers just saw what I just did. Viewers can see what I just did.
I can't even see. I hate it. I want to see it.
You're done for. You know that you're done for.
If you do another robbery, I warned you. Like it's gonna be a long video because this guy is not getting caught. I have to be staying here for the whole day. I have to go outside with my family, and this guy doesn't go to jail. When I'm going outside from the to my family, going and doing more stuff, that will be very big. And then I have to pause the video, and we have to do the day 2
I hate
video.
you though. Whoa! My God, are you hacking?
No, I'm not hacking, bro.
Cause I have a feeling that you are controlling my car.
What?
It automatically took my car to right when I was doing it to left.
I have no idea. I am not hacking. You guys can see. I am definitely not hacking. Okay?
We'll see about that when I'm gonna be doing editing. You're not doing any robberies.
I know I'm playing safely. What do you mean?
I don't want to stay here for a whole day. I have to go to outside with my family. Whoa. Okay, guys, I want to pause the video. He's not doing any robbery. When the robbery comes, now I'm doing.
What do I see here? That why, guys. I was about to pause the video, and I see something like that. And he's so far away that I hate it. I'm like going 5 billion miles per hour right now, and I'm lagging because I'm going that fast.
Brake! My brakes are failing. I'm not giving him a fine if he is not wanted. He has to be wanted. If he's not wanted, I can't do anything.
Oh yeah, that's a thing. That's a very nice.
No, please don't be. You have to do all robberies. That's the deal. You can't do anything like others. Where the heck are you? I'm lagging for no reason.
I have to go there.
Why am I lagging?
I have to go there. I can't survive in Springfield right now.
It's raining also. Wait,
And that's
I think
very
I
good for
found a car which is on wanted level. Yep, it's in Springfield.
Wow, that's rare. That is very rare.
I'm actually didn't know about it. Huh?
I am playing so safely. You
I
know?
crashed.
I am playing so safely. You don't know how to play.
Guys, you seeing what I seeing? We have to go now. We have to go now. Copy. We have to go now. We have to go now. I need all backup. I'll call more cops if I can to arrest you.
I don't care. You get arrested by other person. That's bad. Okay, for me. But I have to arrest you to try to convince him some money. How? You are gonna be done with your. How is my car still working? How? It's saying it has 0 health. But it's good it is not closed down. Because I can't risk it right now. Cindy is trash.
What?
Yeah, I'm at 8th gear. trying to reach to River City. And he's done with his robbery, obviously. He's already done with his robbery. Oh, duh. Yeah, how safely you're gonna play? Man, this video is gonna be long.
Very safely. I'm playing very safely. You might have to do so a lot of
I
editing.
finally, I see this guy after such a long time.
No!
After such a long time, I see Mustafa. He's trying to run from me. I have the same car as him. If he knows, I think I lost him. Now I didn't. Oh, you are done. Woo! You juked me a little bit. You juked me. You're juking me. Ow, my car and you're alive. Oh, you juked me a little bit. You're juking me. Ow, my car and you're alive. Shoot! My car! My car is on fire, seriously. Mustafa, you're lucky. You are lucky.
I am very lucky. Okay?
I saw him for the first time and I pursued with him. I have to spawn the car again. And the good thing was, my car died near the police station, so I can spawn the car again.
Nice.
But I don't know where he is. The bad thing is.
Now I am going. You know where I'm going, okay? You know where I'm going. 100%.
I don't know where you're going. Guys, I was this close to go in a pursuit. If I go in a pursuit, I can pit me with him, and his car will spun out. Easy. That's really easy.
Okay, let's see about that.
I'll see if he does any robberies. I'm gonna stop the video for now. What the hell are you trying to do?
You are actually gonna be so mad at me. I know that you're gonna be a lot mad at me.
I have a feeling that you are in Springfield.
What else do you think, yaar? What else do you think?
I have a feeling that you are in Springfield.
I
don't care, but I know.
I know you know that I'm in Springfield. I am literally going I'm 162 miles per hour.
Say wallah.
You will see.
Yes, you're saying wallah. Actually, you're saying wallah.
Never mind. You know what I'm going. You know what? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm coming to Springfield. I had to respawn, so cause I was very far away. Let's go to Springfield now and kill him. So guys, he's still not here. He didn't did any robbery, so I didn't have any hints where he is. Okay, so I don't know. For a second, I thought he was doing a car robbery, but
I can't do a car
Not.
robbery. I can't do a car robbery. You know that.
you can buy a crowbar and then do everything. A member of crowbar. I have not checked some places. Oh,
No, wait.
let me just press X.
What? Wait.
Wait, guys, whoa. He has not used his gun till now. I don't even know how wanted is he. Let me check how wanted he is.
You don't even know how wanted I am.
Let's see, how wanted is he? He is not wanted?
What? No way. Oh yeah, I am not wanted.
You have to do robberies or you're gonna be disqualified. That was the deal.
I know.
I think I'm about to win. I think I'm about to win.
Fine, I'll do a robbery. You know what? I'll do a robbery. Just wait for a second. I couldn't do anything.
I like pepper spray. I don't like pepper spray.
Pepper spray?
Yeah, there is pepper spray. You spray them and add them, and they can't see. They'll fall on the ground for 2 seconds.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Who did the robbery?
Oh.
Who did a stolen vehicle robbery?
I'm cooked.
Did you do the robbery? Tell me, or is that unknown person? That's unknown person.
You know I did the robbery. I am.
No, that's not you. I know you're not wanted still. So, guys, I'm gonna start the video when this guy is gonna do any robberies. Do robberies! You're making me hard, okay? Too hard. And I don't want to stay here for 5 years, okay? So do robberies. I want to see where you are. Let me see. Let me call the air support on you.
No, that's disqualified. No.
That's a part of police. We can allow it.
You can't.
It's only once. It is only one time.
You can't, bro. It's not. No. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Guys, he did a robbery.
Where is that? Where is shopping outlet? Tell me.
Ow.
Springfield.
Seriously, I'm not going there. Guys, I'm not going to Springfield. He did it. Fine, I'm going to Springfield.
So guys, we're gonna do a part 2 tomorrow because we don't have enough time today. See you for part 2.
Yeah, so guys, we're going to be doing part 2 tomorrow.